guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we got a look at the Stable Next Gen by ADIDAS. Before we get into the review, guys, just want to let you guys know, if you are new to our channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest videos. Let's get into the review. So, as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, we've got a look at the Stable Next Gen M, and we've got this. It doesn't have the colorway, but it's blue, like a very strong blue. I'll get the official name later once I do the unboxing. Sorry, that's so unprofessional of me. But before we get into that, we got this in a UK size 7.5, a US 8, and a French European 41 1/3. And now, if you don't really know, so what ADIDAS tend to do is, for their like performance or what you'd be wearing if you're playing sport, those boxes come in the original, not the original, but this three stripe ADIDAS logo, and it'll be in the black box. ADIDAS Originals, they'll come in that blue box. And well, obviously there'll be other stuff that if it's like Player Edition or an ADIDAS Yeezy, they'll come in their own separate boxes. But just letting you guys know the difference between what they'll use for like performance and normal free stripe as opposed to the originals. So with that said, let's open it. And why I mentioned all that is because this sneaker right here is meant for indoor activities, your badminton, your handball, netball. Would I use this for basketball? I wouldn't, because I don't feel like there's any lateral support, but there is some support. But we'll get into that right before we get into the outsole. So with that outsole, it's an all rubber material here, and you got that little pocket of boost. So I think it's really cool as well, like the colors is very bold in that blue and fluorescent yellow. This obviously encases it here. It's reminiscent of many of the boosts now. I'm pretty sure like the James Harden Volume 2s, the Harden signature line are, but they do have a boost encapsulated in a similar fashion. If we go along the upper, so now this is an EVA guard. That's what I wanted to mention, because obviously this was made specifically for handball. Now if you guys haven't played handball, it's similar to football or soccer. It's just making use of your hands instead of your feet, so you need that good grip, and obviously it's all there. And that panning, all that traction is continued along the midsole here, and you've got a nice guard right there. And this is the boost inside, like non-marking EVA guard. That's what it is known as on the ADIDAS website. And what's really cool is the difference between the free stripe logo. As I mentioned, this is really bold. This colorway is royal blue cloud white. So what I like about this is how the three stripes, it goes from that midsole onto the upper. And what this thing is, this upper, so this is a whole prime knit upper, but obviously this is all protected. It's got that TPU fastening around here in the mudguard, and right here it does offer like support if you're doing like mini lateral movement. But as I mentioned, I wouldn't use this for basketball because it's not really padded here at the lateral side. On the medial side, it's similar materials that is made from the toe box here, which is a TPU plastic. And you've got this really nice like lace lock system where obviously it will keep your feet fastened properly as you're running on court. The whole upper is this royal blue that I found out, and it's striking. Like, I did buy this with the intentions of, I did see that it was boost, and I was hoping that I could use this as running. But now that I've seen it advertised for handball, badminton, volleyball as well, it was mentioned as volleyball, I could see myself wearing these if I play like indoor volleyball or badminton. I do play badminton, so I do need some sneakers for that. Before I get into like myself wearing them, just want to mention how padded this heel ankle support is. It's very padded if you can't tell. It's very nicely soft, so you got that protection for your ankle and heel. It is a nice sock feature, like a lot of the ADIDAS Boost sneakers that have come out. Is like one sock, you just put your feet in and there you go. What I'm expecting is pure comfort because of the insole. So the insole, it says Boost inside, so it's very close to the court feel, if that makes any sense. So you don't have a lot of the midsole elevating your feet up. You can feel that boost in every step, and it's more padded here on the heel. Just before I close it out, just want to go talk to you guys about the heel counter unit. So you've got that boost inside, which is reflected on the insole as well. So the insole unit does have a boost, especially right here on it feels like it's gel, but it's the boost technology around that heel, where your heel is going to be, sorry. And you've got a stable logo there along the heel and a nice pull tab for easy access for your feet to get in and out of. As that is all said, I can't wait to try these on. As I mentioned before, I had full intentions of trying these for running, but I'm pretty sure now that I know that it's going to be good for badminton, all these indoor activities, I can't wait to try it for that side of my game. Can't wait to try these on and let you know how I feel. Let's do this. I know what you guys are going to say. Why are you wearing Nike socks with Adidas? I'm not going to lie to you guys. I've just come from the gym, so you got to allow me on that front. So you know, we're watching you commenters down there. You are very bad people if you mention it, because we know. Anyways, with all that said, this shoe is quite narrow when it comes to the fit. It does fit like. It's very snug, so if I was able to get another pair, I mean, I would tell you guys, I'd go half a size up. I went to get a UK size 8, US size 9. It's got good traction. Feels like this will be great for badminton and all the court indoor sports. I can't really feel the boost. I'm not going to lie, guys. To me, this feels like a normal pair of sneakers. There's nothing like bouncy, like a boost. If it didn't mention that it was boost, if it didn't have the boost there, I wouldn't even know that these were boost trainers. With that all said, it's a really cool colorway. I love royal blue. So if you were to get a pair, I recommend this colorway. Again, guys, please don't roast us through the comments. I know I'm wearing Nike socks. I know this. We can have an off day, you know. But with all that said, like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram. That's with a Z at the end. Till next time, peace.